In the last tutorial, getting started number 4, tutorial number 4, we looked at adding company contact details to the website. So let's go and look at the website and see what we did in the last tutorial. So here you can see on the Contact Us option, we can see the information that we added. We can also see the icons that we created using URL links straight to these websites. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the customers' inquiries and how we view them on the control panel. We'll also be looking at sending quotations to the customers using a feature within the control panel. So just before we do that, you can see that 3 more products have been added. Now we have 4 products on this website. So the customer can inquire on any of these products. But one feature that you should probably know, I'll close this website, we go back to the control panel. Okay, so one feature you should know about is now we have 4 products on the website. If we want to remove any products from the website, we can do this quite easily. We simply go to delete product, which is here, and we have a list of products that we can delete. So what we're going to do in this situation, we're going to delete 3 products and we'll leave just one single product, which is the Dragonfly UAV. Now if we go back to the website, we can see that the other 3 products have gone. So at any time, if we want to control what's on the website, maybe sometimes we want to take products down because they're out of stock or they're discontinued, then we can use that feature. When you delete a product from the website, it's not actually deleted from the system. So what we can do, I'll close the website, we go back to the control panel. What we can do is select Restore Product. Now we can see the 3 products that we've deleted. So if we want to restore these products, we just say Restore, Restore, Restore. If we go back to the website, we can see that all the products are now we can now see that all the products have come back. So now what we're going to do is look at a customer inquiry. Now we have our products on the website. The customers can inquire to purchase the product, so they can inquire to ask us the price, the delivery times, things like this. So let's select this UAV, and there you can see the product. So we will click the inquiry button. Now this is the form that the customer will use to make an inquiry. So we'll put some data, some information here. So we'll say John Smith, plus 34, email, Okay, so we've entered some information for a fictitious person called John Smith. His phone number is +34 8887 3332, and he has an email address. His company is a fictitious company, which is a security company in Madrid. His country is Spain. Now, all he needs to do is to say how many purchases he would like to do each year. So he can say, I would like to do 2 purchases each year of this product, and on each purchase I would like to receive 10 products. So he's saying now, can you send me the price, the delivery time, and the payment method? So now he can press the send request, and this inquiry has now gone to the control panel. So now you can see the inquiry in the control panel. So we will close the website and look at the control panel. In the control panel, we will go to the product section and say view inquiry. When we click this, we can see that the inquiry is from the English website for that product name. This is the email address, this is the date of the inquiry. If we click this, we can now see all the information regarding that inquiry. So we have the customer's details here. We have the product information here. Purchase frequency per year is 2. Purchase quantity, each purchase is 10. This price comes from when we added the product. So this is the selling price, and this is per drone. So this is the unit type. Now all we have to do to send a quotation, assuming we don't want to change this, we can change this very easily. If we want to change it, we can change this number very easily. So we can change the price at any time. But all we need to do to send a quotation, we can say, well, we can send it to you by air. It will take 14 days. It'll cost you about $35 US. You can pay by TT, by LC, by PayPal, and that's it. But actually, we cannot send this quotation at the moment because down here it says update your company information before sending quotes. Now, before you can send a quotation, you must have your company name stored on the system. You must have things like maybe bank details if you want to accept TT payments, things like this. So what we'll do, we will go to set company name. We will click here. So we will put the company name and we'll add all the company details. This is a lot of information I added before, so I'm just recalling the information now quickly. So what we have now is a company name, we have an address, we have a town and a postcode. We have the country, so this is security operatives country, United Kingdom. We have a seaport, we have quotation validity, it's set to 30 days as standard, but we can change this if we want to. Then we have some fictitious bank details here, so HSBC Bank, and the account name, the account number, and the SWIFT code. Now we're going to save this information. Okay, so if we go back to View Inquiry, and we click this inquiry, now we can see that it's okay to send a quotation. One more thing I should say is, before you send a quotation, you should ensure that you have, if we look at update contact information, you should ensure that you have an email address here, because when you send out the quotation, this will be the return email address shown on the quotation. So you will need to make sure that this is in and it's correct, because this is the way that the customer will contact you to place the order. So let's go back to view inquiry. Okay, so now we can send an inquiry. Now we can send a quotation. So what we'll do, we have all the details here. So we will say delivery FOB. We will say we send it by air. It'll take 14 days. It'll cost $35 US. He can pay by TT, LC, or PayPal. Send. And that's a quotation gone. So it's very easy and very quick to send out a quotation. So if we look here, we can just see a confirmation of what was sent. So it says number of units, 10, and it's got the price, it's got the total price, it's got the payment by TT, payment by LC, or PayPal. So all the information that we entered for the quotation is here, plus the information from the set company name option. So we've got our company name here, the town, quotation validity, and the bank details. And this is a copy of the actual email that goes out. So now we go back to view inquiry. We will see that there is no inquiry showing here. That's because we've already dealt with this inquiry. So if we click this option, which is quotation sent, we can now click here and we can see all the information which is from the inquiry and also the actual quotation that we sent. And this is a copy of the email that actually went out.